Hi everyone, this is Annapurni and welcome to my crochet channel. In today's video we will see how to do a slip knot and the chain stitches. So first we will see how to do a slip knot. Slip knot can be done in different ways. In this video I am showing how I used to do it. So first you can take this yarn like this and you can twist it around like this, so it will be like a ribbon kind of thing. Then this small yarn you have to bring it backwards, and from this loop you can get the small yarn out of it. You can pull it out. So this will form the loop and this is your slip knot. You can do it one more time. Take your yarn like this, just twist the yarn like this. You can bring the small tail of the yarn to backward so that it will come like this, and from the loop you just pull the small yarn. So this is your slip knot. See, this is your slip knot. Slip knot can be done in different ways. This is the way which I prefer, and it is easy to. Now we can see how to do the chain stitches. For that, take the yarn like this and bring this yarn, this working yarn, between your fingers. Then take the hook like this, bring it backward to the yarn, and you can just pull it through the loop. Okay, this is one chain stitch. We can do it one more. Bring the hook like this, just twist it, then you can just pull it through the loop. You can see the loop over here. You can pull it. So this is the second chain. This is how you will do the chain stitches. We can do some more chain stitches like this. Okay, see, bring the hook like this, twist it around and pull the yarn through the loop. One more. Bring it, just twist it, pull through the loop. Okay, so this is how you will do a chain stitch. Okay, we can do some more chain stitches like this. Chain stitch is a foundation stitch for most of the crochet projects. This is the first thing you have to learn in crochet. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Happy crocheting! Bye!